Hey everyone, today we're going to spotlight a new product, the D-BTN21. This is a wall-mounted interface that receives Bluetooth audio and sends it over a Dante or AES67 network. It's very simple to install and configure, a single gang housing which is PoE-powered and configurable over a network. RDL console software can be used to set stereo or summed mono audio, adjust levels, customize the module name as it appears to Bluetooth devices, enable or disable the pairing button on the device, and even control LED brightness. In addition, one Dante channel may be connected to a Bluetooth device, enabling full duplex communication. When combined with RDL remote controls, you can select tracks, play and pause audio, and adjust levels. Remotes with screens can even display track title and artist. This is an extremely durable device with metal housing and quality components that can withstand high ambient temperatures and adverse operating conditions. This product is available in white, black, and stainless steel finishes, and you can even add your own custom labels to it through our website. All right, that's a quick overview of the D-BTN21. Now, if you're looking instead for a Bluetooth receiver for a Format A system, we'll cover the BT1A in another video.